Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bash. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hi. To my returning subscribers, what's up? Welcome. So for today is Beauty Wednesday, and I want to film like a 10 minutes 15 minutes quick makeup for my girlies that rushing out the door for school, for work. Just 10 minutes and you're done. You don't have to do your baking, you don't have to do your lashes, just and you're done. If that sounds like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. Once you've cleansed your face, you go ahead and do your skin prep. I have a skin prep video already filmed, well detailed. I'm going to link that up here or here. It's going to be in the description box. So basically, I just cleansed, moisturized, primed my face, and now I'm ready to move on to foundation. I'll be using the V Beauty foundation in the shade V Chestnut. Since we are doing like a very light something, 1 or 2 pumps is actually enough. When you're applying your foundation, less is more. You don't have to apply too much because it's going to the more you apply, the more difficult it gets to blend, honestly. So just a little. So after you're done with your foundation, move straight to concealing. So I'll be using the Younger Beauty concealer. Your forehead, bridge of your nose, your jaw, and that's all. Once you're done blending under your eyes, then you go right ahead to set. You can actually use either a setting powder or you can use like a compact powder. So I'll be using a setting powder. Just blend out all those crease lines. Then you take one layer at a time. One layer. And make sure you blend until your under eye is dry. If you don't blend it until it's dry, it is going to crease. Then when you're done setting underneath your eyes, you just go straight ahead to set the rest of your face. Forehead area, your nose, your jaw, and that's it. Once you're done with setting under your eyes, you just go straight to set your entire face. I'm using the Flawless Ivy palette. Now, you're not doing your wet contour, you're not doing your wet blush, all those things, because like I said, this is going to be a 10 minutes makeup. So you just take a fluffy brush for your powder, then you set the rest of your face. When you're done setting your face, then you take a brush, an angled brush for your contour. That is why I always advise, right? If you want to buy like a powder, I would always advise you to buy a palette. I think that is better instead of buying like single compact. You can get a very nice palette for 12,000, for 10,000, right? So that when you get it, you have everything that you need, both your contour shade, your highlighting shade, all those things. You don't need to have different powders. So I'm just going to get a shade that is 1 or 2 shades lighter, and then I'll use it to contour my face. And if you're contouring, you always have to contour underneath. This is your cheekbone, so you contour underneath your cheekbone. Then your forehead area with a light hand, because guys, remember the goal is a 10 minutes but still light, but at the same time your face is still looking bits. Those that get it. So once you're done contouring your entire face, you pick up a fluffy brush. You can decide to use either a fluffy brush or you can use an angled brush for your nose contour. So just pick it up, and from the bridge of your nose, then you bring it down. So you blend in circular motions. So this is my blush brush. So I'll be using the CPD Blush Extraordinaire. For my blush, I'll be using this orange shade, then mixing up with this one. Then you smile, just lightly. So guys, I did my brows off camera and I set it using the same palette. So now, since we are like, you know, doing a 10 minute, something very, very fast, we'll do a soft brown nude eyeshadow. I'll be using the Blossom palette. This palette has a lot of colors. I'll pick this brown, just in circular motions. When you're blending your crease, you have to like apply your shadows in circular motions. You can dust off the excess on the brush and then blend towards your brow bone. So you can decide to darken it or make it lighter, but I think this is perfect. So when you're done with the brown eyeshadow, you can go ahead to line your waterline. I'll be using the Mirac black charcoal pencil to line my waterline. This guys, this eye pencil, it is black. Then when you're done lining your waterline, you use a clean brush. This brush is from my White Glam Eye Essential. Then you just tap and then you press. And there is this thing that people say that, oh my god, if you want to do your makeup, all those things, you do your eyeshadow first, you do your eyelashes first, you do your eyebrows first, all those things first. Guys, let me tell you something, right? Before I started makeup, I used to do my eyebrows, draw my eye pencil, my eyeshadow, all those things first before I do my skin work. But after I started doing makeup professionally, I had to learn how to do skin work first. And I can promise you, just try it out. Hear me out. Just try it first, right? Just do your skin work first. Then later you do your brows. It's like, I think it's more like a mental thing, right? It's like your hand is telling your head, see, I don't do this. No drum, be careful. You're going to be more precise. It's even going to be generally fast. That's the honest truth. And maybe for the first 1-2 times that you tried, it's not going to come out perfect. But I can see, if you see me anywhere, hold me to my waist, hold my shirt, I can promise you it is going to go fast. Like, my brows don't take me like 2 minutes. I'm done drawing and concealing, no jokes. So I think before you kick it, just try. Okay, so now you clean up your under eye and you blend the rest of your face. Make sure everything is sitting pretty. Then you can decide to emphasize your blush. You don't even need to take more, just using the remnants on your brush. Then you go ahead and set your face. You're done with setting your entire face, I want to go right ahead using my Nuban Beauty The Glow highlighter. Apply on your cheekbone. Once you're done with your highlighter, then you go straight and do your mascara. I'll be using the Zaron lengthening mascara. I usually do my bottom lashes first. So now I'll be doing my lips. I will just use my Davis eye pencil. Once I'm done outlining my lips, I will use the So Pro Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Vein. This shade is cute. Then I will top it up with my OG Absolute lip gloss, and this look is 20 seconds away from being done. Then for the final finish, I'll be using the So Pro Seal It Spray to seal up all this amazing gorgeousness. So I always like to do this before I do my lips, but if I do my lips, I always like to cover my lips because it's going to make your lips sticky. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you love it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe and turn on your post notification, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.